Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a super simple cake. Really everything in one pot, blitz into the oven, and then that's it. Just really simple, but it is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to make a take on tiramisu cake. I've made one years ago, but it was kind of like a tiramisu, but this is taking the flavors of tiramisu and making it into a loaf cake. Super lovely. So what does tiramisu have? It has got sponge, it has got coffee, it has got mascarpone cream and chocolate. So I'm going to combine all these and put them together. Before I start baking, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's get baking. The first thing to go in is 100 grams of caster sugar. Also 75 grams of soft brown sugar. So a total of 175 grams of sugar goes in. To this goes in 175 gram of nice softened unsalted butter. It's really cold in the kitchen, so I've had to microwave it for 20 seconds so it's nice and soft but not completely melted. Now I'm going to beat this for a couple of minutes. In a cup or a glass, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of milk, just whole milk. And I'm going to microwave this for 30 seconds to make it nice and warm. God, how many were they? Shoot. I think that's 5 and then 6. Once it's warmed through, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of coffee to this. So 6 tablespoons of milk and 3 tablespoons of coffee, and just let it dissolve together first. Now this is nice and creamy. I'm going to add the rest of the stuff. 3 large eggs, 175 grams of self-raising flour, big pinch of salt, and then I add the milky coffee, the milk. 3 tablespoons of that goes into this. And now just beat this for a minute until it's smooth and creamy. Look at how creamy and beautiful it is. I'm going to add 60 grams of dark chocolate, just chopped up, and then beat it for 10 seconds. And there is the mixture ready. Look at that. Beautiful. So this is a lovely mixture. I have got the loaf tin ready. I've greased it and lined it, and now I've got the oven getting hot at 180C or 160 fan, and this should go in for 50 minutes. Then I'm going to check. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, sometimes it would be done in 50 minutes. So that smells really good. Just going to even this out and put it in the oven. So now for the cream, I have got 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, because that's what you use in a tiramisu as well. Just smoothen it out a little bit. No need for any beating or any whisking at all. To this, I'm adding 2 heaped tablespoons of icing sugar, and that's it really. Gonna mix it together until it's nice and smooth. Just gonna spread the cream on top, all of it. That's it. Finish it with some chocolate. And here it is, tiramisu cake, or should it be cappuccino cake? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back here very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now. You can also make a variation of the cake by adding a couple of tablespoons of the coffee mix into the mascarpone cheese and then spread it on top of the cake. And this cake I have topped with some chopped up walnuts. But whatever you do, this is an absolutely delicious cake, and I hope you will enjoy it.